expenses as an adjustment. This one states that it is an accrued expense. We are looking at an expense that's still payable. What does that mean in normal English? Maybe it's outstanding, even though you might pay it tomorrow on the 1st of March or within the next week you normally pay it. Or you could be a few months behind on an account. Now, we've learned from the matching principle that when we're busy with our financial statements at the end of the year, we need to make sure that our income and expenses represent the past 12 months of transaction. So if I'm behind or outstanding, I'm probably going to have to add this expense in to make it more accurate towards the 12 months rule. So let's take information. Let's say your trial balance had an amount for water and electricity debit, and it showed you 14,500 Rand for that water and electricity up to now. But it also states that you haven't paid the month of February, the month that you're busy with right now. And that came to an amount of 1,230. Remember, water and lights is not the same every month. Depends how much you use. So in this case, they actually gave you the amount that you will have to adjust. So you're going to take that 2,030 and add it to the past 11 months worth of accounts, so that you have a realistic view of 12 months and you can compare your water and lights from last year with this year. So let's take, for example, the general ledger and just see where we're going to take out, where we're going to add, because this can also be applied to your financial statements. So if you look at your financial statement with financial position, we will be speaking about accrued expense, so you can say expenses payable, if that makes more sense to you. And then the account we're using it as an example is water and electricity. Water and electricity is an expense. We know it increases on the left. Therefore, I will have my total sitting on the left-hand side of 14,500. You know it's 1,230, the amount that you need to add for February that's been missing. So you're going to enter 1,230 on this side so that it can go up. And your new total will be 15,730. And this will represent 12 months. So that's why it's more accurate. You need a double entry for this debit. So we are going to put it in here on the credit side, 1230. And I'm going to try and just make a circle. It's better than that funny thing, whatever you want to call that. Water and electricity is your details. And why? The question is, why would I be crediting this account? This is now money I owe. Remember, I'm behind. I still have to pay it. So accrued expense is seen as a liability. And finally, this will also be one of those adjustments that can be reversed. So on the 1st of March, you will reverse this and just do the opposite. That's tomorrow. So you will put the 1,230, which was there, now on the credit side, so that you're showing that you actually owe money on this account and it's sitting on the wrong side. And over here, you will debit it so that this account can become zero and disappears. It only existed for one day.